Okay, so decided to remove these ones, the old screws with this nut. Okay, that's what's here. But these flat ones so that when people step on it, it's a smooth surface, and there will be no problem. So just going to put this final one now. There you go. Quite easy. Took one at a time out like that. It's much easier. You know, if you take all of them out, then you got to always like center all of them, and just enough. There you go. And there you go. There you go. And there you go. Okie doke. That's it. So I'm still going to then work on extending this, but that's, I can just remove this little arm out and the stairs. I don't have to remove this anymore again. Okay, so this is final, done, project's finished. Now I'm just going to upgrade extending these arms and the ladders. The bottom of the ladder, the feet of the ladders, I'll also extend them. And that's just a personal personal taste of mine, something that I want to do because I always like to make everything better. So yes, good, let's go. Doke everyone, so today at the Caramulo Motor Festival, and yes, we're going to have a great day seeing cars which we love, and I know you guys love as well, and doing a bit of a hike because we have to park right far away because it is packed of cars. I mean, it's just crazy, and really going to do some car spotting on the way up. Yeah, it's going to be a beautiful day, a blessed day. The weather is brilliant. Let's go.
In deze Caramulo Motor
That's quite expensive.
It's also a low.
Pois, é pena ter o Fiat ao lado, que não tem nada a ver. Oi. Is this a real thing?
From you.
The older version of our one, our UMM, as you can see in the emblem. This is the older version, the first ones that came out. Quite a big difference, eh?
a copy of the Mustang inside. Got a 4 days.
The Subaru in the Evolution, eh? No, no. I know it's not this one. Está bene, io...
What is this thing got? Can't get in there.
Yeah, I think so.
It's a prototype development. Fibra de carbono, é?
F37 não vieram cá. aquela coisa nova que é o Caramulo Experience Center. O que é que nós podemos também encontrar nesse espaço que está criado aqui, eventualmente longe deste centro daqui junto?
Por cima de Tondela, está a ver? Tondela é ali, aqui é Caramulo. Não se viu? Não fala.
Eu vivia numa casa.
Não,
Okie dokie, and just like that, here in the swimming pool, we end this video, okay? And I hope you all enjoyed it. And yes, more cool content coming up, okay? So stay tuned. God bless you all. Have a beautiful weekend and see you on the next one. And I'm out.